Excited, everybody is. Excited.
You ready for the train ride, Courtney? I think Emily's ready. Is Mommy ready?
Mommy's ready. Is Daddy ready?
Daddy's ready.
Emily's very excited. Courtney, are you excited to go on the train? That's just on her face.
Okay, say, let's go train.
All aboard. Okay, you ready? We're gonna go. You got your baby? Okay, hold on to her.
150. It starts to pay off. Very first chair. I think that's right.
Hold him. Emily, hold Emily.
I am holding Emily. I got her. She won't fall out, okay? I got her.
And now the file using
See, Mommy's hands are
TurboTax.
Here we go.
They had some.
Okay, here we go. Finally.
Here we go.
Here we go. Courtney, did you see the ducks over there?
They're all sleeping. Do you see how their heads are tucked in their wings? That's how they sleep.
Now, if you guys see the goose here on the left-hand side, be very careful not to stick your hands or fingers out.
Oh, there's going to be a goose right on your rocks.
Eggs, and may think that one of your fingers is a snack.
Here comes the goose.
And coming up on our right-hand side, standing on top of the perch there, that is one of our two Andean condors that have wingspans of up to 10 feet, from tip to tip. That exhibit also houses our two bald eagles, which were injured out in the wild, and are on permanent loan to us from the U.S. Fish
Yeah, look at that goose.
and Wildlife Service. Now, coming up on our right-hand side, for those of you that think you can jump real far, test your skills at how far you can jump. See if you can jump as far as a polar bear or even a fox. Now the fox there from a standing start can jump 15 feet. Me personally, I've never seen a human being jump 15 feet. But if by chance you do jump that far, something let me know that really like to see it.
I think that's fast.
And I think someone did it.
He's talking
Now,
to somebody
coming
on
up
the
the building
train.
on our right-hand side,
This
this
guy's
is Bird World. There's a daily 2 o'clock
I think
bus toss.
all the train conductors have the exact same speech.
What's
What's that?
What's what?
What's that?
Well, that's a canopy for the train so the sun stays out of our eyes.
Coming up on our left-hand side, this is our conservation in Arizona. It has 48
Maggie Lounge.
and
see it?